Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ilikuwa tukachirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi mense liga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biria bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba isiko ya nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati gwikari guri iriya bantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani wochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi nabwigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chebiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha. Kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi, kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo, watu wote na
Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi asenchira here yobonge wire byo mwancho muri Getembe Television veni Nyaboga kurasomo na hoyi manyire chengro kwa Catherine Nyaboga balna basondari kuroste de akabere nera kwa eneki abuna chibicha na hoyi gamario gingo ikerachira asenchira erengia kabana intoweka omoerio abora kiwa be skuru ya the Nyamira National Polytechnic Korea rero ni go bakorokoro bekana erio korera epare mpe ensemeyo anemono eyego swagotia ase skuru eyo asebono bakurere okubara koborendi ensemeyo na kuboria serikali kubarosere pare yo na boyego kwabekera chitaya cyo komoreka anomono chinga kicha botuko wekera boniga nigo tokomanyirwa buna omorokyo yomo nigo asiriri obugima bwaye aseboyego abande batigirwe ne chingoma asabagendete korwariwa ase chinyagitari imeye county ya Nyamira. kapokara nagendete ukwarioneri oroboti oru ibere nabo igo inye asinchira yobwekerano ndochiko gochera ase Ekeonga Chinsa ekyo mwana ibwense Dr. William Ruto nigo akwanere omochando bogochenchia kwerere anemono ensi ya Kenya asebo igo akwanere ebitambokero ensi ya Kenya nabo igo Chinsa chinde chirachie kubwatirana na kwimukia ere gokora omochando yo.
We have solutions that we can offer. And though we are suffering the effects of climate change, we do not want to be just victims. We want to be part of crafting solutions and crafting a future that all of us can live in. It is my very strong commitment that the old style of trying to point fingers at who did what, or trying to blame one us against the other, or the rivalry between the North and the South will not give us solutions. It is the partnership that we can forge between the South and the North, between those who are responsible and those who are victims. And that is how we are going to craft a solution. We are going to craft a new future that will be sustainable for all of humanity. It is a place in history where Africa must contribute its resources, its natural, human resources, and its expertise and knowledge and understanding to craft a future that is not just sustainable, but a future that serves all of humanity. It is the reason why Kenya has taken a front lead in matters climate action and in providing leadership for our continent as we work towards forging a united front and dealing with the challenges that come with matters climate. Just for the record, Kenya is 80% arid and semi-arid. And we understand full well what a drought means. We also know what floods can do. In that
Mukonyi bomorai bwense kifure kindi kinigo atebire gatie mechando emenene abasaye bagwetira no kubura kwemeremo gukwana koro University ya Nairobi kindi kinigo atebire na mbenene gosumu baramonene bwa abasaye tobwati meremo ase boigo okubura kwo kwemeremo ko ireire okore mara kugokina gwechinse ona boigo kwirira abasaye bangi gutwara ebirengerero ase amongabo.
While many challenges face young people today, undoubtedly, the most acute challenge young people face in Kenya and in many parts of the world is the inability to access employment, jobs, and income opportunities. Among the number of unemployed people we have, over 60% are youth, many having no vocational or professional skills training. And this is what drives young people. The International Labour Organization World Employment and Social Trends Report of 2025 highlights that youth unemployment continues to be significantly higher than the adult unemployment rate. In some countries, youth unemployment is 3 or even 4 times higher than adult unemployment. The ramifications of this trend are far-reaching, affecting financial stability, mental well-being, and societal cohesion, and that has serious ramifications on the development of our society.
Bunge ya Senate rituko rero usema mbia rero ekorawa no monogerio bo omoske Amazon Jeff King nigo yachaka gutegera ikina iguru yo gwakwa isiko ya bisi kwaye umugavana we county ya Isiolo omoske Abdiguyo bunge yo nigo irache gutegerera ikini kyo ase amatuko atatu ase boigo umugavana yo akomochikwa na mamocho aganene mono kogenda maminchaniri chiko na boigo obutumikyo bubebwe abisiaye ase ebunge ye county ya Isiolo yabetege ku mwaka isiko umugavana yo omohere obomotienye oeta.
It is now time to commence the proceedings of the proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Abdi Ibrahim Hassan, the Governor of Isiolo County. By a letter dated the 27th of June 2025, the Speaker of Isiolo County Assembly informed the Speaker of the Senate that at a sitting of the Isiolo County Assembly held on Thursday 26th of June 2025, the County Assembly of Isiolo approved a motion for removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Abdi Ibrahim Hassan, the Governor of Isiolo County. The Speaker of the County Assembly of Isiolo also forwarded the following documents to the Senate, being the record of proceedings of the County Assembly and the evidence adduced in support of the impeachment motion. 1. Copy of the approved notice of motion, the motion, dated the 17th of June 2025 and laid on the table of the Assembly on Wednesday, 18th of June 2025 morning sitting. Soft copy of the notice of motion and exhibits contained in the accompanying flash desk. 2. Copy of exhibits laid on the table of the Assembly on Wednesday, 18th of June 2025 morning sitting. Video exhibits contained in the accompanying flash disk. 3. Order papers for the Assembly sitting of Wednesday, 18th of June 2025 morning sitting and Thursday, the 26th of June 2025 afternoon sitting, and a soft copy of the order papers are contained in the accompanying flash disk. Certified Hansard reports for the Assembly sitting of Wednesday, 18th of June 2025 morning sitting and Thursday, 26th of June 2025 afternoon sitting. Soft copy of the Hansard reports are contained in the accompanying flash disk. Copy of a letter dated 19th of June 2025 notifying the Governor of the notice of motion of removal from office by impeachment. A scanned copy of the letter is contained in the accompanying flash disk. Certified copy of a form for verification of signatures for members in support of the motion for removal of the Isiolo County Governor by impeachment, dated 26th of June 2025, made pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order 65B. A scanned copy of the form is contained in the accompanying flash disk.
Chinga kecho umugavana Abdiguyo nigo aikira na bosi obwe bunge ye Senate yo ase abaga komosha kakosomerwa ama mochabo gatia bo kworokia ogocha ya gocha se gatia baraya basobati miye county ye Isiolo na boigo kubwatoka amangana yo korokia ogocha ya gocha saba sobati abo na boigo gocha ya ebisakwe bike imiye county ye Isiolo moske guyo nigo akana mamocha yo ase chintunda isatu.
Of July 2022, yet the county has only 6 departments. C. Appointing chief officers under 2-year contracts, thus creating a climate of fear and uncertainty, which reduces public servants to be servants of the governor and not the people, contrary to Article 73, Clause 1B of the Constitution. The governor failed to renew the contracts of 31 chief officers and instead directed them to hand over to county executive committee members, significantly affecting the continuity of service delivery in the county. And D, appointing 2 deputy county secretaries, which positions are not known to law and are not in the county staff establishment. By engaging in acts which singularly and collectively amount to gross misconduct by the following: A, making disrespectful, sexist, and demeaning statements against Senator Fatuma Adan Dulo publicly that are only meant to denigrate and degrade her as a woman leader, thus violating her right to dignity. The governor's utterances do not demonstrate respect for the people and other public officers, nor do they bring honor, dignity, or maintain public confidence in the office he holds. The governor's statements amount to gender-based psychological violence and undermine the dignity and the integrity of the governor's office. B, breaching public trust by making divisive, derogative, and discriminatory remarks against other clans residing in the county, thus undermining public confidence in the integrity of his office and sowing discord in the community. And C, being continuously absent from the county and running its affairs remotely from Nairobi, thus stalling service delivery. Honorable Abdi Ibrahim Hassan, how do you plead to the three grounds? Ground 1, guilty or not guilty?
I plead not guilty.
Ground 2, guilty or not guilty?
I plead not guilty.
Ground 3, guilty or not guilty?
I plead not guilty.
Haro no toto nyangiri amona bariki baito ni go bagende to kwariganiria yo amona yanda mange na nachiko gochira senchira iro yo bwekiranu Ekeonga ibere na boigo inye chobotko bwarero nche nkoro kwa Catherine Nyaboga veni Nyaboga cross muno hoimanyerio balna basonare kuro studio kabere twaro borigiri borobia asemero ya Getembe TV era chiko gochira mbio.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills elikuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda usialia utagete showroom yeito nigo ere engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntobwate team tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende kinsi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges au bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asbigo babwate Dumerang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama mabati aye chigage emeronge bere na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia charcoal gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwa mabwate yiga niko bokorengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kwabo gutumika chinga cyo gwakeranya amabati yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase MRM showroom onyare kwabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo guchanye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya complex imiyo muchuyigo busongo iyo erangene duka Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetra se namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Amone